Aging begins in our cells. As we grow older, our cells lose their ability to divide and repair themselves. The protective caps at the ends of our DNA, called telomeres, shorten with each cell division. When they get too short, the cells stop functioning properly. This leads to wrinkles, weaker organs, and slower recovery. But what if we could slow down or even reverse these changes? That's what scientists are now working to achieve. One of the key breakthroughs in anti-aging research focuses on DNA protection and repair. Every day, our DNA faces damage from environmental stressors like UV rays, pollution, and even poor diets. Scientists have discovered certain molecules like NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, that help cells repair DNA damage. NMN works by boosting NAD+, a molecule that fuels cellular repair and energy production. Studies in animals have shown promising results, slowing aging, improving energy, and even extending lifespan. Could this be the next big thing for humans? Another area of focus is telomere lengthening. Telomeres act like protective caps at the ends of our DNA. The longer they stay, the healthier our cells remain. Scientists are studying ways to activate an enzyme called telomerase, which can slow or stop the shortening of telomeres. In some lab experiments, telomerase activation has reversed aging signs in cells. Although we're still far from perfecting this for humans, it opens up possibilities for slowing cellular aging. While science works toward breakthroughs, there are simple things you can do to slow aging naturally. Regular exercise, healthy diets, and stress management have a proven impact on aging. Certain foods, like those rich in antioxidants, berries, greens, and nuts, help reduce oxidative stress, a major contributor to aging. Managing stress through mindfulness and sleep also plays a crucial role. These habits support cellular repair and overall health. Researchers around the world are making progress, from gene editing to stem cell therapies and advanced molecules like NMN. The science of aging is moving fast. Imagine a future where you stay active, healthy, and full of energy well into your 90s or even beyond. It might sound like science fiction, but it's closer than we think. Aging is a natural part of life, but science is giving us the tools to live longer and healthier. Can we truly slow down aging? Only time will tell. Together, we're exploring the future of health and longevity. So hit subscribe and join us on this journey to a longer, healthier life.